Good morning, beautiful moving people. Welcome back to a new video. Here we are. Not the most romantic spot, if you would say, if you can see from that side. But beautiful from this side. So today our journey is gonna be like a, let's say, desert to desert video, and basically just another day Vanlifing. I'm pretty knackered still from yesterday. My back and my legs are like a bit destroyed from climbing up there. I don't know if you can see it. I will link the video here. And yeah, let's get this road trip going. First drink my coffee, abba. Of the way, on our left side, the Sierra Nevada. We also gained some altitude. It's just been going up and up and up the road, but until now everything's good. Temperature's looking good and the scenery is amazing. A lot of space. Came to Guadix, that's the name of the city, where we can do the 2-3 things before we drive on just another day. So for the following task we will be needing this. We don't have the cash, it takes only coins, so we have to come back. And we're back. We managed to get the change, and let's do this. Okay, super. So while we wait 30 minutes, let's check task number 2. Okay. Wow, it was hectic. So, didn't catch any film. I was a bit too much. What is going on here? Yeah. So, about we managed the shopping wise. So let's go finish the other one. And here we are again. Oh, okay. Mine back. Okay, let's sort and beat this mess out. Hang the clothes to dry. And then we move on. So this is it, friends of the way. kind of what it looks like. Everything's hanged almost. The two big sweaters are not. I can hang them here. And yo, that's it. Or worst case, we'll dry them in the front. And let's move on. So before we start, I opened also the windows in the back. We're dialing in the location now, where we want to be tonight or the next days. Basically the desert again. Friends, we reached one spot to spend the night today. It was not a long drive, that was good. Let me show you the view. Wow, this is just the beginning. Can't imagine how it will be when we go inside. And there are some hiking paths, as you can see down there. Looking forward. Just another day on the road. I'm pretty knackered still, but I think the driving day today was good because kind of moving my legs, but also let time to heal from yesterday. Oh, this is amazing. I'm looking forward. So, and also, as you saw now, the sign, this area here, basically exactly this spot, kind of picked it out because from here on starts the hike of the 200 Dolmens. So, as far as I understand, there are dolmens here. If you don't know what a dolmen is, and yeah, we're gonna for sure go and check them out. Down in the valley, I think it's the city of Gorafe, or the village. And yeah, I think I'll take a moment to let this amazing. I love this. I really love this. It's one of the things I really love. Bring me to a spot like this. Let me sit there like a half hour. I'm happy. So, sat and enjoyed some sun, thoughts, chips, and beer. And I was looking down the cliff here. And I thought, how about we have a look at some dolmens. Huh? Okay, I thought I was gonna transition myself down the Dolmen and spare you the walking, but as you see, we have some guided, some major nice smoothing walking goats. Maybe it's a family. Maybe it's 3 friends. But there they are, going. Okay, cool it was. They're like really smooth on the cliffside. Anyways, back to Dolmen. Woo. Beautiful movie, people. We managed it after the excitement with the goats. Wild roaming goats. Wow. I hope there is no pumas around here. And here we are. Check this out. The Dolmen. Back to the prehistoric eras. So it is said that these dolmens are from the Neolithic era, which I don't know how far back that is, but I will research it. So a dolmen, more or less, as far as I remember from other travels and other moments, it's a burial site. So people used to bury their loved ones and build a dolmen on top. They usually buried them inside. And as far as I understand, this whole area here, it used to be a necropolis. Oh, and my eye catches another goat. A lot of goats here. Wow. We are at the right place. So yeah. Here are some more. You see? There is a clear entrance. And then it was with the roof. Probably pieces of these rocks here used to be the roof. And back there is another one. And at this moment, beautiful moving people, I'm gonna be signing out. The sun is setting. It is an amazing spot here. I am happy that I came here. Just another day van lifing. Check this one out. Exactly. So I hope you're doing everything you want to be doing and enjoying the time. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, a subscribe. Here's another one. And from me, the dolmens, the mountain goats, Gorafe Canyon and Desert, which we're going to be exploring in the next days. Have a good one. Up there is Helix. We don't forget the baby because he's the one who's bringing us everywhere. So, okay. Lange Rede, kurzer Sinn. Wish you all the best. Peace out and love in. Tschüss.